Hello and welcome back to our Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. Once again, we are back with another Java programming problem, and today's topic is going to be on exception handling in Java. The topics we're gonna learn in exception handling in Java is try, catch, and final method. So I'll explain you the three terminologies through an example or through the problem of today. And without further delay, let's jump into our question. So this is a code and this is a question, and I'll be typing the code. You guys just stay tuned with this. This is basically today's code, guys. I'll explain each and every terminologies in this present in this code, and I'll run the code now. Let's see what output we're gonna get. Just a second, I have done a mistake, I guess, here. Automatic. Just a second. Yeah. See, we have got a equals to 0 divided by 0 error inside the finally block, right? So before explaining the code, I would like to introduce you three major keywords here. Those are try, catch, and finally. So basically, what are these three keywords are? Try, which would be trying the code given by the user. At present, I'm the user, right? I have executed this 4 lines of code. So this try keyword would be trying this code given by me. And if there is any error present in this code, this catch wanna catch that error. Whatever it may be the error, this catch will be taking that error. Okay. And when it comes to finally, it doesn't depend on any catch or try, and whatever it may be the error, whatever may be the result, it will be giving its own statement. Final block will not it will be executing the statement, but it doesn't depend on the code given before that. That means catch and try. It will be giving its own statement. It will be giving its own command in the print statement. Okay. So this is regarding try, catch and finally, and let's discuss about today's code. Okay. And most of you know that public class main, public static void main is an essential two-line code in Java programming. And yeah, as I said, we're gonna try the code given by me. So the code given by me is int a, that is equals to 0. A is a variable and its type is int, and its value is 0. And I have given a print statement that a's value is equals to something 0. Yeah, a equals to plus a means a equals to 0, right? Yeah. And when it comes to int b is another variable and its type is integer, and that is equals to 20 divided by a. That means 20 divided by 0. So what we're gonna get here? So we're gonna get a divide by 0 exception. Okay, because the 20 divided by 0, it's an divide by 0 expression, right? Any integer cannot be divided by 0, right? So that's the reason we are gonna get divide by 0 exception, and this exception is catched by this catch keyword. Okay, so this catch gonna catch this keyword, and then it would be entering into its loop. So what is present in this loop? System.out.println, and a command given by question is divide by 0 error. So that was the error here, right? So that is the error catched by this terminology, and it is giving a command to print the error. Okay, yeah, that is about the catch and try. And well, coming to finally, it won't bother about what happened in its back or what happened before that. Finally statement define a code block to run no matter what is the result. Okay, no matter what is the result we got here, whatever may be the error got here, finally will be giving its own statement. Okay, it is giving the statement inside the finally block. That's it. So as we commanded, a that would be equals to 0, a is that equals to 0, and we have given a command b equals to plus b, right? But we are getting an exception here, right? What exception we got here? Divide by 0 exception. That's the because we got an exception, this code won't go into the next step. Directly this exception is carried by this catch. So then after it will be going into this inner loop. So as we got an exception here, we cannot go further into this statement. That's the reason we didn't get any b equals to or something in our output terminal. Okay, so we got an exception, catch got that, caught that, and it executed this statement. That's the reason we got divide by 0 error, and we got a statement commanded by the finally as inside the final block. We got that here also. So basically that is the logic behind this code, guys, and I hope you understood this try, catch and finally terminologies. If you have any doubts, you just comment me in the comment section, and that's all for this code. Thank you for watching this video, guys.